Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Family video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you the unboxing and of course the setup, or if you want to see the configuration of this TP-Link wireless router. As for the exact model, it is the 300 Mbps wireless N router. The model, there should be a specific or particular model number for it, but in the description section of the video we'll be definitely posting that. So first I'm gonna actually unbox it. So let's get it open. So as you can see, I think this one, it is not refurbished. This one, I think it is labeled as open box on eBay. I got it on eBay for about $21. Now this is my second TP-Link wireless router within the last week or so. I would have purchased a used one, but guys, trust me, the seller is like crazy, because he actually sold me something that, I mean, it is coming from a privately owned network security system, but when I reset it, the default login in terms of password, username not working. It is not resetting. So I mean, I emailed the seller asking him to send me the login information. No response. So that's why I grabbed this other one. So as you can see, the router there, they have a CD, which definitely not going to use, the manual, and then of course the adapter. So there's no Ethernet cable in it, but of course I have a lot of Ethernet cable around the place. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to power it up. So let's give it some juice. Turn it on. So on the back there we have an on button, power button. As you can see, start lighting up there. So let's get the Ethernet cable. So one end plug into my laptop there. So let's turn off my Wi-Fi. Right. So in terms of connecting it to the wireless router, you need to connect it to one of these LAN ports. So now I want to log into the router. On the back it should come with the login information, the default IP address. So I'm seeing the default login information in terms of password and username. As for the IP address, I'm not seeing it there, but I'm gonna try 192.168.0.1. So I'm just waiting for the PC to recognize it. Let I go into the network setting and ensure that there is no default, there is no static IP setting it. Right. So let's bring up a browser. So let's bring up a browser now. So 192.168.0.1, enter. So right, so it is now logged in. No, well, it's logged at me. So I'm gonna put in the username and password. So the username is admin, password admin. Click on login. Right, so as you can see, we are in now. So save. The first thing I'm gonna change is the IP address, the default IP address for the router. That's the first thing I need to change. So I need to go to LAN. Right, so I'm gonna change it to 8.1. So once I wanna log into this router, that's the IP address I'm gonna have to type in the address bar of the browser. So it is now attempting, it is now configuring and restarting. In terms of you knowing when it's gonna go up to 100%. So definitely again guys, the IP address for this TP-Link wireless router I'm gonna change. So you're gonna change from the default, which was 192.168.0.1. so it's now gonna be 192.168.8.1. so complete. So attempt it. So as you can see at the top there, 8.1. type in the username and password. We'll have already save it, so type in the password. Why is it saying that it is incorrect? Admin password admin. Right, so I'm in again. Right, so in terms of configuring, that's pretty much it. You can do other configuration if you want, in terms of going to access control, using it as repeater, a whole lot of stuff you can use this wireless router to actually do. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.